Hello and welcome back to the GRE Catcher. We're still in the official quantitative guide of the GRE and we're still in chapter 3 and that's the third question. Third question says n is a positive integer and you have two variables, x which is equal to 7n plus 2 and you have y which is equal to 6n plus 3, and this question you're required to compare quantity A and quantity B. Quantity A is equal to the ones digit of x plus y and quantity B is equal to 5. I just want to stress on some terminologies here. The ones digit, it means here the ones digit, for example, if you have the value of 12, the ones digit is the 2. If you have the value of 19, the ones digit is 9. If you have 87, the ones digit is the 7. I know it's very simple, but I just want to review this with you. What else? This type of problem is which has unknown variables. The unknown variables, or if you have a value which is unknown, you have to consider this unknown could be anything. So you will follow a method which is called the trial and error, which is basically you will substitute the unknown with many, or not many, with some chosen digits or some chosen values, and let's see what will happen, if it will work for you or not. So I want you to consider that if you find any unknown, this unknown could be positive or negative, it could be small or big, it could be a fraction or integer, it could be anything. So you need to consider all of these possibilities. It could be odd or even. You just need to pick some values which is random and which is distributed along all of these if you have no restrictions. But here in this question we have some restriction. It says that n is a positive and it's integer, so it's a whole number, it has no fraction and it's positive. So starting from maybe you start from 0, it will start from 0 up to any value you want. If you substitute n with 0, that's the first scenario. If you substitute n here is equal to 0, let's try this out. X is equal to 7n, so 7 times 0 will be equal to 0 and x will be equal to 2, and y also, let's substitute here. 6 times 0 will be equal to 0 plus 3, so y will be equal to 3. The addition of both x plus y will be equal to 5, so quantity A which is x plus y will be equal to 5. In this scenario the quantity A will be equal to quantity B. Okay, fine. Let's try another scenario. Let's say that n is equal to 1. Okay, let's say that n is equal to 1 and let's substitute for n here. Now x is equal to 7 times 1, which is 7 plus 2, so here you have 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, and you have here y is equal to 6 plus 3, which is also equal to 9, so you have 9 plus 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Okay, and you want the ones digit of this summation. A is equal to the ones sorry, it's 18, so I'm very sorry, it's 18. Okay, and A is the ones digit, so in this case A will be equal to 8. As you see here, 8 is bigger than quantity B, which is equal to 5, so this means that's the start of the problems. Now quantity A, I can't determine if quantity A and quantity B will be equal. That's that's the thing that will affect our choice. But let's try another one. Let's try n is equal to 2. Okay, now n is equal to 2. 7 times 2 equal 14. 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. Okay, so here you have 16 and we will add to the 16. 6 times 2 is equal to 12, and 12 plus 2 is equal to 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So here you have 15. The addition of this will be equal to 21. No, 21, 31, I'm sorry. That will be 31. Okay. Now a is equal to the 1st digit, right? So a will be equal to 1, which is less than 5. Now you have almost 3 scenarios. So you have, if n is equal to, n could be anything. N could be quantity a could be greater, equal, or less than quantity b. So the relation cannot be determined in this case, so you will choose quantity d. And that's the method of trial and error. You have to remember from this video, the important thing from this video, to know that if you have unknown, it could be anything. It could be negative or positive, fraction or integer, it could be odd or even, it could be a small value or a big value, it could be anything. So you need to be aware of choosing a variability that will guide you through your question. Okay, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching.